Hey, greetings. In the last episode, we talked about um, giving and focusing on what you have. So today, I want us to look at pointers to what we have or how to identify what we have. So, now one of the ways to identify what we have is now, what are the things that you love to do? Whether you are paid or not, you will do them. Yet, you do them well with ease, with little or no practice. Number two, what are the burdens in your heart? And how does those burdens affect humanity positively or your environment, your immediate environment positively? Number three, what are the things around you that you feel are not done well and can be done better? And then, if improved upon, can affect the society positively, can affect humanity positively. If you can identify these things, the answers to these things are pointers to your area of calling, are pointers to what you have that you need to run with in the year 2022. If you can run with these things, I believe we'll have a better year. If everyone can run with this vision, this passion inside of them, those things you do well with ease, with little or no practice, those things, the burdens you have in your heart and the way it affects humanity positively, if you can run with these things, you do them with ease, whether you are paid or not, you just find joy doing them. These are pointers to the gifts that we have. Thank you so much. I'd like you to look inward, ask yourself these questions, get these answers, and then run with them. Run with them. Thank you and have a blissful day.